Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine, and I want to start off today's video by saying that I hope you guys enjoy the Italy segments that I did. I know I posted a lot of Italy videos, but I was trying to be as informative as possible so that way you guys know what to expect when traveling to Italy. So as you can see here, I have my luggage. So that means I'm going on a trip. Before I tell you guys where I'm going, what I was planning on doing is at the end of this video, I'm going to put up a couple of pictures of the location of where I'm going, and I want you guys to guess. Like, I want you guys to go on there and comment below and let me know where you guys think that I'm going. And then I'll reveal each country as I'll reveal each country of where I'm going, so that way you guys will be able to see. And I'm going, just to get more footage for my channel, so that way you guys know what to expect when traveling to these places that I'm going to go to. So you guys can see right here, I have my luggage. I got this on Amazon, and I got it because I feel like it's so important to travel light. It's just my personal opinion. For me, because I have to travel with a lot of gear for recording, for filming, editing, and all that stuff. I got my laptop. I got all my editing equipment in here. So plus my purse, and having to travel with 3 or 4 luggages it's too much for me. So I have this bag, which I feel like it's amazing. Look right here, you can see it has the straps if you want to strap it, and do like backpack style. And it has the wheels, and you can pull this out right here, so you can roll it. So just in case if you have it to overload it like I did. So let's open it up and show you guys what I have here. Okay, so this particular backpack comes with these things to help keep things organized. So I have like enough underwears and bras for the whole trip. On here I have like 7 shirts. I think I have a couple of more shirts here, and here I have like shorts, leggings, and my jeans. I just put them here. Just have my jeans here, my brush, my flat iron, because I need to do my hair out there, obviously. So right here in this little part, in this area right here, I put up like all my, like facial creams, makeup, deodorant, all that kind of stuff. Put it in Ziploc baggies. Here we go, right here. You guys can see all this. Here's where it's a little unorganized, but I left in a hurry. I was trying to be as organized as possible, but with me it's a little difficult. Trying to make sure that I had everything, paperwork, because it's kind of hard to travel, during the pandemic, because they asked for so much paperwork. So I was just so busy trying to set up all the paperwork that we need for the trip. But other than that, yeah, like I was saying, I like to travel light, because when you have to film, you need to be able to travel light, because you just got so much stuff. And then, like, what if you want to pull off your camera and record something and you got all these luggages, and then how you gonna get your camera? I wanted to show you guys also my filming equipment real quick. So I decided to go with the GoPro Hero, the 9. I hope it comes out real good for my footage. It works good for me, for my footage, to get really nice footage. It comes with the audio thingy, and it's supposed to be really good. Like, I did a lot of reviews on this and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the other one, I think it was the Sony camera, which is very popular, and the GoPro seemed to be like the best in my opinion. Plus the iPhone's good too, so I got both. So I got like 2 cameras, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is what I'm recording from right now. So I went all out and got everything. I got this, the GoPro, extra memory cards. It also came with this little screen, so that way I can see myself if I'm talking. I also got the lens right here, the extra lens, to give me like a better quality, and it also helps you like get more like a wide angle, like a better wide angle. And then it came also with this, and it opens up real nice and big, so that way I can be like talking and walking with my hand out, because I have short hands, so my arms are short, so this works good. And everything in here all together. So like I said, I like to travel light. I do have one of those big cameras, but I just get tired of holding such a big camera, so I feel like this would be able to give me all the good footage that I need. Yeah, so the reason why I got the GoPro Hero, the 9, is because I like to travel light, and I want to be able to enjoy the trip too, you know, and I don't want to have to carry all this big equipment. And when I did the review on the GoPro 9, the footage that I saw on TV, it looked amazing. It looked really good, and there's a lot of YouTubers, and a lot of them use the GoPro, and their video quality looks awesome. And it's also really good for like stability. Like if you're walking, it's not going to be shaky. Like I try walking with my iPhone, it's a little too shaky. With this, it's going to give you that stability. So you guys will be able to tell me if how you think these videos are going to be, if you guys like it. And of course, I will be able to, you know, as soon as I can, I'll put up my first video. So hey guys, so yeah, so that's what I have here in my bag, you know, for traveling. Like I said, I like to travel light because I just feel like, you know, having to carry too much luggage plus my gear, my equipment is going to be too much for me. So this works out for me. I know for some other people, what they do works out for them. They'll travel with as many stuff as they need. But for me, I prefer, you know, to travel light. So like I said, at the end of this video, I'll put up those pictures so that way you guys can guess where I'm going. And it's going to be three countries. And you guys can guess where I'm going, and comment below where you think that what country for each picture, what country that you think that I'm going to be going to. And you guys can comment below and let me know. As soon as I can, I'll put up my first video and you guys will be surprised. Hey guys, so we are on the flight, and it's my least favorite part because it gets a little boring and it just feels so long. We're starting to dim the lights.